Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. It's Friday, the end of the week. Ukraine is on everybody's mind, and I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to trade today. I didn't lose so much. In fact, yesterday, made it a little bit back. So if I was discussing this subject with my wife, I would say I'm even for the week. I might be slightly down. Not bad. Made a few trades yesterday. Kroger and Rio, which is a mineral company. Long trades. And earlier in the week, I made some oil plays. A swing trader is primarily or 80% technical and 20 or 25% fundamental. But I believe you really need to know strategically what's happening in the market before you can make any kind of technical decision. You have to know what's happening in the environment. Else, if we're in the middle of a war or if the Dow is in a 3-day dive, that's maybe not the time to take a long. A lot of people might think buy the dip, but maybe you keep on dipping. So, and it might be for a reason. So the futures have slipped based on the Ukrainian crisis. And this is investing.com. I'll start my news there. And a lot of times I'll use their mobile phone app while I'm still in bed, check things out. And the energy seems to resolve itself, but I still think it's going to go up, and our gas is going to reach $5, $6 a gallon. I've been saying $5 a gallon soon. Looking at the world markets and the indices, we're seeing that the US 500 is still in red territory. The rut seems to have come up a little bit. So has the 500, and this is just a small amount. NASDAQ and the Dow. This is a daily time frame using TradingView. It's a great place to start if you're a beginner. It's free. Bringing it down to a 2-hour time frame. That looks decent. The last 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours, it's been consolidating. Probably waiting for New York. Checking out Discord again and looking at my zigzag trade ideas. And click on the link and it gives you some opportunities. Do you think the market's going up? You could take these green on the MACD, the RSI, and the stochastic. These are all individual singles. And then in a minute, I'll show you my 3-bar where I tie it when all three occur within 3 or 4 bars of each other. That gives a single. And it gives a single for a couple of days. And I use that, the 3 indicator strategy, along with some filters to trade. In fact, we're running a trading challenge, a 3% trading challenge for, can you do 3% in your account in 90 days? I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but most people lose. Anyway, this is trade list to start. DraftKings is here for a buy. This is Japan ETF, Pepsi Cola, Progressive, ROKU. We'll look at those. I would start with the RSI because it gives me a good feeling. I think I get stronger singles. There's a lot of singles here. You get more singles from the stochastic RSI. I use it as a trigger sometimes. When these two conditions occur, I use this as a trigger. These two conditions occur, I use it as a trigger. My algo is written in OmniBroker, and it's a charting and financial analysis program. It allows you to do portfolio backtesting. It's really kind of cool. But it produces these reports. It's a program that I wrote, and I'm using the same indicators. I don't have the zigzag on here, but the MACD, the stochastic, and the RSI. We're going to look at the RSI here for ROKU. And you can see that the RSI, been the oversold, coming back around. I like that. The stochastic is flipping, and the MACD is slightly below the zero line. We like it a little less, but hey, we like it down here. But that wouldn't have gave you a good buy signal, because look at this. ROKU is in a really downward turn since August. They got a lot of competition. Is it ended? Did it end here? Did it end here? I don't know. I think it is might be a good buy. I see a lot of news on the various different channels and gurus saying DraftKings it's now's the time. The RSI says it's the time. The stochastics looks like it's turned around, but the MACD is not below the zero. It was close, but not. Anyway, I do think DraftKings is a good one too. Consumer goods, I think that is the sector that is going to be a powerhouse for the next year. It might be a little early. It's worth checking. If you're a bear, Philip Morris looks decent. We're short. Yes, I think Dave & Buster's is going to have a problem post-COVID. Real estate, yes, I think that's a short too. I think we hit our highs in the real estate. This is a steel company out of Pennsylvania, mainly. Big jump, backing off. Fairly cheap stuff. So is this Newmark. Sabre is a technology company that facilitates booking of air travel. Chevron has got an MACD. I like that one. Yes. The MACD is way below the zero. Stochastics come around and the RSI crossed over a few bars. Like that. The same thing with HES. What this company does is buy gold and silver properties, develops it and sells it to some other mining company. With the war, I guess, we've seen this rise, and we had a significant down day yesterday. That's because the market was up. I'm not too hepped up about PVG. Checking one more resource on the free Discord chat. Check it out. 3 indicator strategies. This is strategy I'm using for the challenge, and I'm going to check out if there's been any new trades. No new trades, just that Rio trade. Currently losing a few days ago, but I entered it 2 days late, and my trade should be winning. This listing here is all the trades that were taken using the 3-bar indicator strategy since July 1st, and there's a profit. Using a $10,000 account, which is a small account, the net profit percentage from July 1st is about 30%. That's very good. The win rate is 66%, 67%, and the losers are about 33%. Now, a lot of people say that they want a win rate of 80 and 90%. I'm not so sure you can do that. But look, it doesn't matter if you have a 50-50 win rate, as long as your average profit, that's 190, is better than your average loss, 120. So every time you win on a 50-50, 5 times you're going to get 190, and 5 times you're going to lose 130. That's a winning system. So I hope you follow along with the challenge. These trades are posted 3 or 4 times a day, automatically. It's not a trade list. It's a start. When you're developing your own strategy, you may choose to use other indicators. Anyway, I'm going to look at some oil trades today, based on what I've just seen. I'm also going to do some research on some transportation and rail companies for the weekend. And later today, I believe I'm going to invest in Bristol Myers Squibb, BMY. I'm planning a video on that later today. Well, I hope that helps you. I hope you have a good trading day to end the week. I hope you subscribe, and I hope you like this video. I hope it helps to see how other people do their morning analysis. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.